Delivering with DoorDash in Delaware. Best areas, tips, and tricks. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're considering driving for DoorDash in Delaware or looking to maximize your earnings in this state, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the best areas to dash, tips for making the most money, and insider tricks to help you succeed. Let's dive in. Overview of DoorDash in Delaware. Growing market. DoorDash has grown significantly in Delaware over the past few years. With varying levels of demand across different regions, it's important to know where to focus your efforts. Best areas to dash in Delaware. Milford. When to dash. Lunch and dinner times are the busiest. Why Milford? Consistent order flow and decent tips. Lewis, Rehoboth area. Current situation. This area has slowed down compared to its previous activity levels. Tips. Focus on weekends and tourist seasons for better earnings. Bethany Beach. Overview. A seasonal hotspot, great during the summer months. Advice. Target peak tourist times for the best results. Dover. Why Dover? Known as a hotspot with high demand. New Dasher Reward Program. Take advantage of this program to maximize your earnings. Best times. Saturdays and dinner hours are particularly busy. Tallyville. Current status. Generally slow with fewer orders. Recommendation. Might not be worth the effort unless you have other reasons to be in the area. Wilmington. Why Wilmington? A great area with consistent orders. Tips. Stick to downtown and popular dining areas. Tips for successful dashing in Delaware. Multi-apping. Strategy. Use multiple delivery apps like Uber Eats and Grubhub to increase your earning potential. Benefits. Ensures a steady stream of orders, even during slow periods. Timing is key. Lunch and dinner rush. These are the most profitable times to dash. Weekends. Generally busier and offer more opportunities for higher earnings. Safety first. Stay alert. Always be aware of your surroundings. Emergency prep. Carry pepper spray or a safety alarm, especially when delivering at night. Customer service. Friendly interactions. Positive interactions can lead to better tips and higher ratings. Communication. Keep customers informed about their order status, especially if there are delays. Stay local. Focus on orders within a certain radius to minimize driving time and fuel costs. Insider tricks. Peak pay opportunities. What is peak pay? DoorDash offers extra pay during busy times and bad weather. How to utilize. Always keep an eye on the app for peak pay notifications and take advantage of these opportunities. Customer ratings. Importance. Higher ratings can lead to better orders. Tips to maintain. Deliver promptly, communicate effectively, and handle food with care. Vehicle maintenance. Why it matters. A well-maintained vehicle is crucial for a delivery driver. Routine checks. Regularly check your oil, brakes, and tires to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Leveraging the new Dasher Reward Program. In Dover. Program details. The new reward program offers incentives for frequent and high-rated dashers. Maximize benefits. Aim to complete a certain number of deliveries per week to qualify for bonuses. Conclusion. Delivering with DoorDash in Delaware offers great opportunities if you know where and when to focus your efforts. By dashing in the right areas, utilizing tips and tricks, and staying safe, you can maximize your earnings and have a successful dashing experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and guides. Happy dashing! Remember to always stay safe and keep optimizing your strategies. Until next time, take care and drive smart.